Hey, welcome back guys. Now let's talk about how I can change the battery in this Chevy S10 key fob here. It works for these models and you don't need any fancy tools, you just need only one battery like this 2032, and you can find this battery in the description, and also a small flat screwdriver. And now when you're ready, let's begin with the tutorial. The first thing you need to do is turn this key to the bottom over here, and here in the bottom, right here, you see this small hole. Now you need to insert the small flat screwdriver right in this hole like this, and now twist it a little bit, and this way this will crack open like this, and you can very easily separate this fob into two pieces. This is the whole idea here. And when you separate it into two pieces like this, right after that, here you see your old dead battery. Now to remove the battery, again, it's very easy. Just take the tip of the small flat screwdriver again, insert it here, and just push the battery outside. And now when you remove the battery, here in the same place, just insert your new battery like this. And also make sure this side here is the negative side, that facing up. So this step here is very important. And now when you place your new battery over here, now take these two pieces again, make sure you align them perfectly like this, all corners to match perfectly, and just snap them together, just like this here. And when you snap them together, right after that your key will be ready. You don't need to do anything else after that, it will just work fine. Okay guys, I hope you find this video useful and take care.